Hey there, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And looking through your website, looks like you have some good interactive things going on here. The one thing that I would recommend would be to have some more content on this homepage. The reason is Google has crawlers and they are crawling the internet 24/7. And so they're going through all the website's content, seeing what keywords are there, what the photos are saved as. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And an example of a keyword would be Houston foundation repair. And so when your customers are searching this here, the first thing that's popping up are some ads. And if you scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 because they get a lot of that 30 to 40%. The way that you outrank these other businesses is you have a Google business profile that has more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And then you want a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing, and the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing. And so this is where your website would be ranking. And it is important to be on this first page because 90% of people stay on this first page here. And I see you all the way down here. It's important to be as high up as possible. A lot of the traffic goes into the top 3 listings here. And so let's take a look at this #1 ranking website for this specific keyword, Allied Foundation. They have some good click to call buttons as well, which will help with the conversion. Looks like they're doing pretty well with the content. Seems easy to outdo them in that department though. But let's take a look at the back end of each website. I have their URL plugged into Ahrefs here, and we're going to look at ratings pulled from Google data. UR and DR, these are the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. They have 32 and 13. And what makes up these ratings here are their 1.13 thousand backlinks coming from 396 referring domains. And what a backlink is it is one website linking to another one. So it's like a shout out. And it is important to note here that not all backlinks are created equal. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers here, and there are spammy ones that will lower these numbers. So you want to be intentional when you choose your backlinks. And then Allied has 7,000 keywords on their website. And let's take a look at yours. And you guys have a powerful website here, 33 and 37, coming from your 2.87 thousand backlinks from 338 referring domains. And then you guys have 909 keywords on your website. And so you guys have a powerful website here. There must be something else going on that needs to be addressed so that you guys are ranking higher, because you would want this working in your favor. And so you'd want to see what's going on to prevent you from ranking. But let's take a look at Allied's keywords here. Looks like they are ranking for some things that are not buyer intent, but here's one that is buyer intent. Foundation repair Houston. 1.7 thousand people are searching for this every single month. And we can go through here and find those buyer intent ones. Houston foundation repair 300. And there are a ton of keywords here, and there's a lot of buyer intent keywords that apply to the services that you service, that you provide, and as well as the areas that you service. And so you want to make sure that you are ranking so that you're getting that traffic for yourself. And you do have a good, powerful website. You just want to make sure it is working for you. So in order to get some of this traffic, you want to make sure that your Google business profile is ranking. So add some more citations there. And then have some content and keywords added to your website. And then look into what problem is going on that's having your website not be showing up higher, since it is a high quality website. And so I hope that this video was informative and valuable for you. And I would love to know your feedback. So if you'll give me a call with your feedback and if this was helpful, and then I'll let you know the joke of the day. Thanks for watching.